Experimenting with water. Objectives. After completing this chapter, the students will be able to identify the things that sink or float. Identify the things that soluble or insoluble. Explain why things float or sink. What sinks, what floats. We know that some things float on water while some of them sink. It occurs because the things that float displace less water than their weight and the things that sink displace more water than their weight. Things that float. Some things like wood, empty bottle, football, bowl, etc. float easily on water because these things displace less water than their weight. Things that sink. Some things like coin, filled bottle, cricket ball, nail etc. sink in the water because these things displace more water than their weight. Lemon in salty water. When you put a lemon in normal water, it sinks. But if you mix salt in the water and then put the lemon in it, then the lemon floats. What dissolves and what not? Have you ever seen that some things that mix with water get disappeared while some things do not? This is because the things which disappear get dissolved into water and that do not disappear and remains visible. Let us see the things that dissolves and what does not. Dissolves in water. Sugar. Sugar dissolves easily in water. If you make tea or coffee, the sugar dissolves in the water and you cannot get sugar back after dissolving in water. Salt. Salt also dissolves easily in water, as it is dissolves. But you can know the taste after drinking. Milk. Milk also dissolves in water. You cannot separate milk from water after dissolving. For example, you cannot find water in milk which milkman brings for you. Cooking soda. Cooking soda is a white powder. Cooking soda is used in cooking food. It gets dissolved in water easily. Lemon juice. Lemon juice can dissolve in water. When lemon juice is mixed in water, then it changes the color of water. Oil. Oil does not dissolve in water. When you mix oil with water, then oil floats on the surface of water. Dal. Dal, pulse, cannot dissolve in water. You can get dal back after mixing it in water. Sand. Salt and sugar will easily dissolve in water, but sand will not dissolve. So we can say that sand is insoluble in water. Flour. Flour is insoluble because it does not dissolve in water, but it changes the color of water. Seeds. When you throw seeds in water, then it sinks but does not dissolve in water. You can see them easily.